Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to talk about Weihai Bank interim report. Do note that this is not a financial advice or a buy or sell call. All content are AI generated and is not associated with anyone. Unfortunately, I don't see any extracted summary provided. Please provide the summary so I can generate a quick read overview essay for you. Weihai Bank stock price experienced a slight surge in the past year, with a 14.38% increase from HK$2.92 to HK$3.34 on June 16, 2025. However, the exact cause of this increase remains unclear due to limited information available around that time. The bank's overall one-year change as of September 10, 2025, was a modest plus 8.55%. Events such as increased green loans and board changes in July, August, and September 2025 cannot be attributed to the stock price surge leading up to June 16, 2025, as they occurred after this peak. The primary drivers of revenue growth are primarily attributed to the economic expansion in China. This is fueled by a combination of fiscal and monetary policies implemented by the Chinese government. Specifically, the moderate increase in deficit ratio, issuance of ultra-long-term special government bonds, and expansion of local government special-purpose bond quota have contributed to revenue growth through fiscal policy. Additionally, moderately accommodative monetary policy has also played a significant role, with reforms in loan prime rate, LPR, and market-based adjustment mechanism for deposit rates contributing to the growth. Net income and profit margins experienced fluctuations in the given period. Initially, net income saw a significant increase of 5.79% to RMB 1,257 million. However, it later decreased by 0.04%. Despite this minor dip, net income continued to rise, with an increase of RMB 127 million, 15.21%, to RMB 961 million. Profit margins also underwent changes. The operating income margin increased by 10.98%, but the net profit margin saw a slight decrease from 26% in 2024 to 24.9% in 2025. Other metrics such as return on average total assets and weighted average return on net assets decreased by -6.4% and -3.1%, respectively. The variations in these financial indicators can be attributed to various factors, including changes in market conditions, operational efficiency, and management decisions. The company is generating positive operating cash flow. The financial summary reveals that in 2025, the net cash flows generated from operating activities was a significant RMB 7,960,419, indicating a substantial increase from the negative RMB 3,148,902 recorded in 2024. This trend suggests a notable improvement in the company's ability to generate cash from its core operations. The company's debt level has experienced significant fluctuations over the past year. Total liabilities increased by as much as 44% from December 31, 2024 to June 30, 2025, while total debt level rose by 10.3% during the same period. Conversely, interest expenses decreased by a substantial 50% in the 6 months ended June 2025 compared to the previous year. The increase in borrowings from the central bank and debt securities issued also contributed to the rising debt levels. The company's financial performance reveals a mixed picture. On the positive side, corporate banking and financial market business segments have shown strong results. Specifically, Shandong Province and Tianjin Municipality in corporate banking have been notable performers. In contrast, retail banking has underperformed, posing a challenge for the company to address. The management of the company is optimistic about its future prospects, driven by proactive measures to address narrowing interest margins and expansion into corporate and retail banking. Key strategies include focusing on green finance with initiatives such as designating 2025 as a year of significant green finance advancement and launching innovative financial products, leveraging technology to drive business development and provide customers with comprehensive financing solutions, strengthening compliance culture and risk management mechanisms, adopting a customer-centric approach, prioritizing 6 key areas including goal-oriented strategy and problem-driven approach. However, management is cautious about market volatility and closely monitoring the company's liquidity position. There were no notable acquisitions or divestitures reported in the financial summary. The company did not engage in any significant purchases or sales of assets during the period, as indicated by the absence of such transactions on page 78 of the report. That concludes the financial summary for Weihai Bank. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.